Hi dears, good morning. Warm welcome to Ideal and Adarsh Vidyalaya online class. Are you all enjoying long leave? Say yes or no. Yes, very good. Super dears. Let's go for subject. Subject Social Science, Class 5th, Unit 1. Title The Earth. Topic Space. Today we will learn more details about space. Okay, look at this picture. This is Earth planet. Very good. Another name of Earth is globe. Have you all seen the sky? Yes. Very good. Everyone seen. What are the things in the sky? Clouds, sun, moon, stars, some gases. Very good. These are all objects in the space. Okay. What is space? Space is a vast and many secret, incredible objects are hid in this area. Do you know how to form these objects? Millions of years, the energy is released from the different direction. The high temperature formed the gases are compressed and form the solar system. Solar system is nothing but different number of stars to form the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. How many planets are there? 8 planets. Very good. Then we will see about nebula zone. Nebula zone. Look at this picture. This is nebula zone picture. What is mean by nebula? Nebula means clouds or smoke. Do you know how do we get the name nebula? First time, the scientists using telescope to see the sky. At the time, they watched some clouds of gases and dusty particles. When we see these objects through the telescope, some views like flower, animals, etc. This is called nebula zone. We can also imagine this type of characters at sky when we see the clouds. Say yes or no. Yes, very good. What is nebula zone? Nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in space. Nebulas appear in many shapes and colors. Nebulas glows a bright color such as blue, red and green. This happens when nearby stars hit the nebula so that it glows. Do you know how many shapes are there in nebula zone? There are 5 types of nebula objects in the sky. Planetary nebula, emission nebula, reflection nebula, dark nebula, supernova remnants. I ask question, how many shapes are there in nebula zone? There are 5 types of shapes. Very good. Can you say 5 nebula shapes name? Planetary nebula, emission nebula, reflection nebula, dark nebula, supernova remnants. Next topic is universe. Universe Tamil name known as Prapanjam. Universe is nothing but it is a vast expanse of space which contains all of everything in existence. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light and even time. Before the birth of time, universe, time, space and matter did not exist. Universe is an endless space area. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. In universe, roughly 70% is made of dark energy, 25% is about dark matter, 5% only the everything. Above we know galaxy, nebulas and stars, etc. All are clear about nebula and universe? Very good. Next topic is galaxy. Galaxy Tamil name known as Vinmeen. Look at this picture. This is galaxy picture. What is galaxy? Galaxy is nothing but it is a collection of solar system. A galaxy is a group of many stars with gas, dust and dark matter. The name galaxy is taken from the Greek word. Next topic is Milky Way galaxy. This is Milky Way galaxy picture. It is very beautiful, no? Yes. Milky Way galaxy Tamil name known as Palveli Vinmeen. It looks white in color. It is one of the countless billions of galaxies in the universe, each having millions of stars of its own. A galaxy is a collection of stars and interstellar material held together by gravity. The galaxy our sun lives in is called the Milky Way or the galaxy. The name Milky Way comes from the band of light that is seen overhead on very dark night. The ancient peoples called it Celestial River. All are clear about nebula zone, universe, galaxy and Milky Way. Very good. Next one is planetarium. Look at this picture. This is planetarium. Okay. Do you know what is planetarium? It is used for showing the position and movements of the planets and stars for education and entertainment. Birla Planetarium. It is located in Chennai, which provides virtual tour of the night sky and planets of the solar system. Okay, today what we learn? We learn about space. Good. Now, homework time. Do this today homework. Now, question and answer time. Where is situated Birla Planetarium? Chennai. Very good. Clap. Next question. What are the colors of nebula zone? Red, blue, green. Very good. Next question. The word galaxy derived from which language? Answer. Greek. Very good. Thanks for watching this video. Bye dear.